Hello and welcome to this webinar dedicated to Odigo, a contact center solution, and the way we successfully integrate with Salesforce to offer our clients the best experience. So I'm Thibaut Gilardoni. I'm a sales specialist at Odigo, focused on our connectors with CRM, like with Salesforce, of course. And I'm with Mathieu.
Hello, Mathieu Tardivel. I'm a product manager in charge of CRM integration at Odigo. And I'm really happy to be there with you, Thibaut, to co-present this event.
And so am I, Mathieu. So let's just start with a very quick introduction of who is Odigo, who we are, and what we do. So just be aware that Odigo, so as I already mentioned it, is a contact center solution. We have a worldwide coverage. We are born in France, but with offices across Europe. And at the time I'm speaking right now, there is about 100,000 users connected on our solution, so which is really important. Maybe you don't know what is a contact center solution. Sorry for my English. So a contact center solution. Maybe Mathieu, you can jump to the next slide, please. Thank you. A contact center solution, just figure out your customer, end user customer, and you want to get in touch with a brand. So either you can choose to use SMS, to use WhatsApp, chat, email, and of course you can also call the brand. So it's up to you to choose what is the channel you want to use, and Odigo actually is an omni-channel contact center solution. Once you have chosen your channel, the brand needs to qualify what are you calling for. So you can, if you call, for instance, the brand, you can use natural language to say, okay, I'm calling because I want to purchase a new iPhone, for instance. Once this is done, well, the solution is going to route your interaction to the most relevant agent. It means that the agent has the skill to be able to answer your claim or your question or your request for once. This being done, so you get in touch with the agent. At Odigo, we like to call the agent ambassadors because we believe that they represent the brands they're working for. So this is quite important in our DNA. So the ambassador can use either the Odigo console, but if you have Salesforce, and especially Service Cloud, we can integrate Odigo within the Salesforce environment so that the agent will get all the information from the CRM and from Odigo at the same place.
So that brings me to a question, Thibaut.
Yeah.
What would be the key element in a good integration within Salesforce ecosystem?
Good question, Mathieu. So let's figure out you are a Salesforce client and you have indeed to renew or to adopt a new contact center solution. So you should probably have several concerns, and the first one should be the customer experience and specifically the voice customer experience, because you're going to choose a partner we will manage, we will deliver the service for the voice. So it's not just a solution, but it's also telecom services and so on. So this is really important. Next concerns should be the way the solution is going to integrate with Salesforce to offer a real omni-channel experience. Because probably as a client, you already have digital channels with Salesforce or maybe with third parties. And then you're going to choose a new solution that will bring the voice. So how all these channels are going to cooperate together, this is also a very important focus you should have in your decision. Then, sorry, the performance is also a very key point. So the question is, how can the solution help you to get some new ROIs to deliver a very performant contact center organization? By performance, we are talking about duration, the limitation of transfers, but also the way the ambassadors are able to do some upsell and so on. So here, it's important to understand if your contact center solution integrated with Salesforce helps you to reach these new ROIs.
And finally, the AI maybe.
And the AI. So indeed, it's about the way the data, the integration helps you to leverage data and AI in overall.
Little word of our, let's say, customers and ecosystem.
Yeah, of course. So at Odigo, we've been working on our integration with Salesforce for over 7 years now, and we have more than 40 clients using the Odigo for Salesforce offer. We have clients from, all industries. We can, for instance, talk about Air France KLM and DHL for transport. In FSI, we have Aon, we have Allianz, and in the retail, we can mention Auchan and Kering, for instance. So as I said it already, our integration is a key part of the Odigo strategy, and there was a key point a couple of months ago when Salesforce named Odigo as a Service Cloud Voice partner telephony. So it's a new integration of the contact center solution within Salesforce. But Mathieu, you're going to explain it much more better than I can.
Absolutely. So and thank you, Thibaut. So at product management we have a key challenge is to respond as much as possible to our customer needs. And this is where the integration with Salesforce is really capital, because it brings to the customer the best of two worlds. Contact center with Odigo and a decade of experience, like Thibaut were exposing before, and Salesforce, the number one CRM in the world. So let's see how this is done today on the screenshot that I'd like to present. So as you can see here, we are inside Salesforce. So it's very, very important to understand that the integration is fully integrated in Salesforce. And the first and primary integration is based on the voice control. So as you can see, the voice control is entirely under the Salesforce native UI. So that means there is no specific development that has been done and specific UI that has been integrated inside Salesforce. Here you can see that it's the native component of Salesforce to manage the call. So you will find the basic features such as transfer, on hold, record, start, stop. Everything is done with the Salesforce native component. The supervision, so I'm not going to present everything right now, but the supervision is again done through the native supervision, Omni supervision provided by Salesforce. Second key component of the integration is the new object voice call that we can consume through the integration. So that means during when there is a voice interaction coming inside the contact center, the agent is able to relay on this voice call to store all the data attached to the voice interaction, and no more create a custom object or custom field to manage this. So that brings a lot of uniformity inside the data and allow afterwards to get accurate report, accurate analytics around the voice interaction. There are two other aspects that we bring to the agent inside this integration. On the right-hand side, you can see in yellow, in orange, the Odigo Assistant. So the Odigo Assistant is a widget to bring some information coming from the qualification. As you remember, Thibaut exposed, the big components of the contact center, and Odigo is basically an expert on the qualification. So that widget brings to the agent some information from the qualification. So it's very important for the agent to know how was the qualification. Was it really fluid? Was it long? There were a lot of menu on which the customer went through. So it's very, very interesting for them to know the mood at the moment they are taking the voice interaction. So, and finally, on the left-hand side, you're going to see there is the Odigo SMS. So Odigo SMS is a little widget that allow the customer, the agent, to send live SMS directly attached to the customer that has been selected during the qualification. So it's very handy and very nice.
And but just tell me, does SMS work for campaigns, outbound campaigns?
Absolutely. It's linked to outbound campaigns. So, there is the voice outbound campaign, and the parallel is the SMS, and it's fully integrated in Salesforce. You can prepare your campaign, launch your campaign, and then the execution of the SMS are sent just right after.
Great, thank you.
And finally, the last part of the integration is the AI. So as you may know, the AI in the world of customer satisfaction, customer experience, and of course contact center is big today. So Odigo and Salesforce are here to bring one of the best of what can bring to an agent during a call. So how does it work? First, Odigo is doing the transcript and sending the transcript to Salesforce, so that this transcript is attached to the voice call, the new object I was describing just before. Then, from this transcript, Salesforce is able to apply some key AI components from Einstein engine. So there is three key components. The first one is the sentiment. So during the call, the sentiment is moving depending on the exchange and word exchange that is between the agent and the caller. So it's quite handy for the agent to identify the intense moment, or basically the moment of satisfaction from the customer. The second aspect is the intent. So in the intent, the idea here, Einstein, the AI engine, is going to try to understand what's the intent of the call, what's the goal that is behind. Is it create a support case? Is it to change billing, challenge billing, or I don't know, review, escalate to a manager? So these intent are fully attached to the engine, determined by the engine, and displayed to the agent. And finally, the best next action is based on the analysis of the intent and the analysis also of the sentiment, is going to bring some option to the agent, so that he's assisted in the decision point that he's going to take. Maybe the engine can provide some advice to change the contract, or open a support ticket, escalate to the manager. There is plenty of advice, so that the agent can win a lot of time being assisted during the exchange with the customer.
So Mathieu, you've been focusing on Service Cloud Voice and actually the voice channel, but what about omnichannel?
Absolutely. So very, very good question, Thibaut. So as you may know, it's a combination. Integration is always a matter of bringing the best of two worlds. And this is where, in my introduction, I was saying the best of two expertise domains that are Salesforce and Odigo. In our case, there is, if I come back to the beginning, what really matters is the different channels that are collected. On one hand, we have three different digital channels that are already collected by Salesforce, that are included already in their service and offer. So the idea is to keep that subscription that the customer has and use them as it's part of their offer. For the voice collect and qualification, it's going to be Odigo's responsibility, as we have a long time experience on that. But then those different interaction and channels are sent to the same routing engine. And this routing engine in the center here, as you can see, is Odigo. So that there is a unique queue and a unique routing engine dispatching the calls, or the interaction, to be more precise, to the right agent. So that you can be an agent that is taking some voice interaction, and then chat, and then email, and then maybe Twitter response, and all that on the same queue. And this is all done finally in Salesforce, which is capital, because our customer wants to be inside Salesforce and benefit all the interface and interaction that is in Salesforce. And this is what we are bringing with this integration.
Okay, so with this omnichannel routing engine from Odigo, it means that the occupancy rate of the agents will be improved because they can handle both digital and voice channel at the same time.
Absolutely, absolutely. Single queue meaning single dispatching, and that's where we are, let's say, having a nice return on invest and assistance to the agent.
Okay.
So let's have a quick review on the key aspects that are connecting data from two worlds: Salesforce on one hand and Odigo. How does this articulate in your point of view?
Yes, so having data from Odigo and from Salesforce connected together is key indeed to reach new ROIs, and we told it already in this meeting. But on the screen you can have a few examples. Some already have been displayed and discussed with you, Mathieu, but we can give some other examples. So, for instance, you can raise the customer satisfaction, but also the productivity of your contact center by having what we call a contextual routing. So what it means? It means that when you're calling, for instance, Odigo can request, can check with Salesforce and retrieve data from Salesforce to see, for instance, okay, he's calling because he wants to purchase an iPhone, but I can see that he's a VIP. So I'm going to route this call to a very senior agent to make sure that the experience will be more than great for this specific customer, because we know it is a very valued customer. This is an example. We already talked about external routing, omnichannel routing, so I won't go deeper on that. But here you can see that having the data connected from both systems, together, it can help you to reach new ROIs, both on the Odigo side, so on the qualification side, routing side, and on the Salesforce console side, let's say, on the agent side. So when the agent is handling the call, well, he gets all the relevant data displayed on the screen, also on the Salesforce console, and you also get some some next best action suggestion to have a very personalized and performant relationship to manage call for once, of course, so reduce call repetition and to sell better, for instance. So maybe we can now jump to a short conclusion before we leave you, because the time is running, flying.
A lot.
So as you may have understand it, hopefully, what makes our solution and our offer different from the competition. So first point but I hopefully have understand it, is that we are fully aligned with Salesforce roadmap. So Mathieu,
we are working very close to Salesforce product management, closely with our product management, to align the roadmap and have a key milestone that are in synchronization in between the two roadmaps, so that we bring the best again of each world.
Thank you. Then the second point you should remind is that Odigo can answer, overhaul the needs from almost any contact center, because our commitment is end-to-end, because as I told you, we are a carrier, so a telecom provider. We are a SaaS vendor, so we edit our own solution, and we are our own integrator. So we are really committed to make sure that in the end, you as a client will get what you purchased with us. This is the first reason why we overhaul the needs from contact centers, but we also have a very rich solution with many features. So you have seen some of them, but there are much more. For instance, we can provide PCI DSS call and pay to have payments on the phone. We can provide the scheduling of callback either on the IVR, on the queue, or on the Salesforce console, for instance.
Absolutely.
So we have many features to make sure that we can answer your needs. And maybe the last point to be noticed is that we are focused on business users, on the business. So we have over 200 consultants as a solution manager and so on, to help our clients to deliver the best experience and understand their needs. So we are not just providing solutions, features, but we are providing a real understanding of what is a contact center. And I think that's it, Mathieu.
Yeah, that's it. It was a pleasure.
Yeah,
very nice. And I hope we see you soon.
So yes, and feel free to contact us either through the event website or with our emails that are displayed on the screen. So thank you.
Thank you very much.
Bye.
See you.